Today we'll talk about a less known topic, digit sum. Before we start, can you answer this? Most students go by the traditional method of multiplication, but competitive exams don't give you that time. And that's where this powerful tool, digit sum, comes into picture. In simple words, it is sum of digits repeated until a single digit remains. Like digit sum of 456 will be 4 plus 5 plus 6, 15. Again take the sum of digits 1 plus 5, 6. To simplify it further, you can eliminate the terms when you get 9. Like 4 plus 5 is 9, so you can take it as 0 and then calculate the rest, directly giving 6. Now look at the questions where this can be applied. Start by calculating digit sum individually. 2 and 7 is 9, cancel it. 3 plus 7 plus 3, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. Next, cancel 9. 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 8, 23. 2 plus 3, 5. Next, cancel 6 and 3. 1 plus 7 plus 7, 15. 1 plus 5, 6. Lastly, cancel 9, 3 and 6. 8 plus 7, 15. 1 plus 5, 6. Add them together. Cancel 4 and 5. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. Just check which of these options have the digit sum 3. First has a digit sum of 7. Second, 4. Third, 3. Last, 4. Clearly, C is the answer. Similarly, you can apply this for multiplication. Digit sum of 487, 1, 392, 5. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. Now consider the options that can give you digit sum 5. Try this and write your answer in the comment section.